A2?
Yeah,
no,
A2.
6-2, sorry.
6-2, yeah.
So you can remember this sports field?
Yeah.
I'm gonna speak about this later.
Yeah.
Okay, 6-2.
From here.
A little left.
Stop traffic, 1300, 600. Kilo going around 25 left. Gonna turn really left.
Okay, so the last leg took us about 3 minutes, so pretty close to 2.7, so really good.
Yeah.
And now we fly here for 2.5 minutes again with the heading 6-2. And what's your altitude?
Traffic 10-3 Kilo Juliet. We're gonna turn left downwind, runway 25 left.
So increase the collective.
Traffic, Helicopter 83 Hotel, 1 mile northeast of the field, outbound to the east. Come. There is one guy somewhere.
Yeah, traffic, Piper 4201 Juliet, crossing 25 left at Charlie, going to be doing a high-speed taxi on 25 right, Compton.
Okay, so what's really nice, you can use the trim. You know the trim? The trim, it does reduce the resistance. So at some point if you fly very long, your arm is gonna hurt. But with that one, you have less resistance. So you can pull this one up.
Pull.
Nice. And now you have less resistance on the cycling. So it's a little easier.
Okay.
Okay, can you see your your intersection?
Intersection? Yeah. Over there.
This one? No, this is the wrong one.
Really?
So let's fly your heading 6-2.
6-2. That one.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's a big intersection of two highways. So this is the 710 highway. And this is the 105.
Okay.
So when you are over there, you can fly along the 105, right?
Yep.
So we can do a position report over there. You can say over the 105 710 intersection.
Yeah.
Heading eastbound, last call, come.
Okay.
Speed looks good.
Okay.
Then you can go to 80 knots.
Alrighty, copy traffic, Piper 4201 Juliet, high-speed taxi, right.
Compton traffic, Helicopter 83 Hotel over 105 and 710 intersection and heading to eastbound, let's go Compton.
Nice.
Is that banner on the runway for 25 left?
I'm gonna start a timer again.
Yep.
So you know your next position is...
They said it's off the runway.
105 and 605 intersection.
Okay, and we're gonna fly 2.6 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, and we can just follow the road, right?
Okay.
What is our next frequency?
Next frequency is 123 and 025.
Okay. Then you can put that in.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
Then you can change it. Okay, that's good. So this is now LA Basin.
LA Basin?
Yeah. So maybe when we are over there, we can also tell them LA Basin traffic, Helicopter 83 Hotel over 105, 605 intersection.
Yeah.
1000 feet. Or actually, you're planning to go to 1500.
Yeah, increasing.
At 1500 feet, heading eastbound.
Okay.
LA Basin.
Okay, LA Basin. What does it mean for LA Basin?
LA Basin is the whole area. It's called
whole area.
Basin. It means like the middle of, of when there are a lot of hills and stuff, and in the middle it's flat. It's a valley.
Yeah.
It's called Basin.
Okay.
Then try to think ahead. When you are over there, what do you have to do next?
Over one. That intersection.
Yeah.
Position report.
Yes, but what is more important? Aviate, navigate, communicate.
Yeah.
So aviate, altitude and airspeed.
Yeah, altitude and airspeed.
So 1500 and 80 knots.
Yeah, 80 knots.
Navigation.
Navigation. 605 intersection.
This is this one and the next one.
And
We want to know where we go after that.
think about that destination.
Yeah. Which way do we go? Do we go right, left? Do we turn around? Do we fly straight?
Actually, heading for 62.
6-2. Okay.
Yeah, heading for 62.
Okay. And what are we looking for? For the next, what is the next checkpoint? South of oil field.
Yeah, south of oil field.
Okay, so we have to look for the oil field.
Yeah.
And for how long do we fly this heading? 6-2?
Yeah, 62.
How long?
For 2.9.
Okay. So almost 3 minutes. So I'm gonna start the timer now.
Yeah.
You can fly 6-2.
62.
And after you're on your course and your airspeed and altitude is good,
Yep.
you can do position report.
Okay.
Elevation helicopter AC Hotel over 105 and 605 intersection, heading to inbound, heading to east and 1,500 feet elevation.
Nice, good job. We lost 30
yeah.
knots of airspeed. So always it's more important that you have a nice airspeed than position report. Position report is not that important.
Okay.
Okay, 6-2 for 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
45 seconds are already over. So go to your heading 6-2 and as soon as you have it, you look outside and choose one point right in front of you.
Yeah.
And then you don't look at the compass, you just fly to this position.
Okay.
So this is more, because otherwise all the time looking to the compass is not very efficient. Now you just choose a point in front of you and you fly straight to this position.
Okay.
Little too high, you can go to 80 knots.
Okay.
And gonna descend a little bit, which is good. And after you find your tank farms, where are you flying next? Which heading?
Heading for 82. North of tank from antenna.
Okay, A2. Okay. Do you already see the tank farms?
I guess.
Yeah, I think these tank farms is not a very good reference point.
Yeah.
We already passed it. It was.
Is there a tank from over there?
Yeah, that is one, but there's also one. So this one you were looking for are over there.
Yeah.
So they are not very good. Maybe we choose another one next time.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you a good reference point on the way back, okay?
I got it.
Okay, then let's fly 82.
Yeah.
82 heading, yeah. So A2 is a little more to the right.
A2.
And then you look north of tank.
Yeah.
Antenna. Okay.
And 2,000 feet.
Okay. Also do a gauge check every now and then.
Okay. 1, 2, 3 green. F center. Carb time is out of yellow. No on your light. No caution light. Heavy is green.
Okay. And fuel?
Fuel is more than half.
Okay. It's also part of the gauge check.
Yeah.
It's very important. Okay, 2,000 feet, 80 knots. So you can fly 70 to until you are at your 2,000 feet.
Yeah.
And as soon as you are at 2,000, you go to 80.
I got it.
See this road over there? The parallel to us.
Sorry?
You see this road?
Yeah.
The long one?
A long one. Yeah.
Yeah, it's parallel to us. This one is actually a nice reference point. Because when we come back, you can really see that really early when you're far away.
Okay.
This is why I like this road. I call it X road.
X road.
It's not the official name, it's just how I call it.
Okay.
So the X road is a pretty nice reference point.
Is there a X road front of us?
Yeah, it's here it ends. So I just use it from this point, this crossing, to this direction.
Okay.
So now you don't follow it, just fly A2.
A2.
More to the left, this is 90 now. Still more left. Okay, that's a good heading. Then you choose a spot in front of you.
Okay.
And then you fly to this spot. And then you look out for your checkpoint. So you're looking for antennas or the tank. This tank, right?
Yeah.
So if you see one of those, then as soon as you see it, you just fly straight to it.
Okay.
Or in the case, you said north of the tank. So if you see the tank, you go just north of the tank.
Okay.
And we fly this for 6 minutes. Yeah, we already have 2 minutes.
Yep.
So another 4 minutes.